value, momentum, quality. What if a fund could combine all of them? That's exactly what the Sundaram multi-factor fund aims to do, but with an actively managed twist. So is the smart investing or too complex for its own good? Let us break it down in detail in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, as an NFO, it opens on 2nd July 2025 and closes on 16 July 2025. And some of the key features of this NFO are: this is an open-ended fund type belonging to the category of equity thematic, and it has a benchmark index of BSE 200 TRI, and also an exit load of 1% for redemption applies within 1 year, and there is no entry load. And the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is just 100 rupees, and fund managers of this fund are Mr. Rohit Saxaria, Mr. Dvijendra Srivatsava, and Mr. Sandeep Agarwal. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. The primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to provide long-term capital growth to its unit holders by following a multi-factor based investment strategy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this NFO, let us move on to analyzing whether this will be suitable for us or not by analyzing the pros and cons of investing in this NFO. So now let's start with the advantages. Number one, multi-factor strategy for smarter stock selection. So the fund uses multiple factors like quality, low volatility, and alpha to pick stocks that offer better risk-adjusted returns. Number two, actively managed advantage. Unlike passive factor funds, the fund manager can make active decision, fine-tuning the portfolio beyond rigid index rules. Number three, broad universe based on BSE 200 TRI. The stock picks come from the top 200 companies in India, giving a good balance between large and mid caps. Number four, diversified factor exposure. So combining multiple factors reduces the risk of one style underperforming, like just value or just momentum. And finally, the number five, suitable for long-term investors seeking consistency. So the strategy aims for more stable returns across market cycles, making it ideal for investors with a long-term view. So these are some of the pros of investing in this NFO. Now the cons are: number one, complex strategy which may not be easy to understand. Multiple factor investing isn't as straightforward as a regular large cap or flexi cap fund, which may confuse first time investors. Number two, performance can lag in trending markets. In fast moving bull markets driven by one theme like momentum, this fund might underperform. Number three, active strategy is equal to higher expense ratio. Since it's not passive, the fund charges higher fees, so alpha generation must justify the cost. Number four, new strategy, limited track record. Multi-factor active funds are relatively new in India, and this fund has no long-term history yet. Number five, still depends on manager execution. Even with a rules-based framework, success depends on how well the fund manager applies and adapts the strategy. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this NFO or not. Now, what is the final takeaway? Should we invest in this fund or not? So the Sundaram multi-factor fund blends smart investing factors with active decision making. So it's not for everyone, but for long-term investors who want more than just index returns and understand factor investing, it might be worth exploring. But as always, consult with your financial planner before making a decision. So our personal recommendation is, if you're a first-time investor who has just started to invest in the market, or even if you're a conservative investor who's not willing to take a lot of risk, you can avoid investing in this fund. But if you still want to invest in a similar thematic fund like this, there are other existing similar thematic funds with a track record of at least 7 to 10 years. Then you can analyze the highs and lows and take a calculated risk in investing in it. But here, as we have no proper portfolio or investment research, the investment would be very risky. So it will be like taking a blind risk. So instead of investing in an NFO like this, you can invest in in similar thematic funds with a track record of at least 7 to 10 years, which actually has performed in a long term period. And also, if you're looking for funds to add to your core portfolio, definitely avoid investing in an NFO like this, because we do not know how this fund is going to perform, and if it does underperform, it will affect the returns in your overall investment portfolio. So it will be like taking a blind risk. So definitely avoid investing in an NFO like this for your core investment portfolio. And also, if you do not know when to enter and exit from a thematic fund like this, definitely avoid investing in it, because even for a seasoned investor, it's harder to predict. So it's better if you avoid investing in an NFO like this, especially a thematic fund. And as always, consult with your financial planner, because they will look into the suitability of the fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, and allocation, and see whether it aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and your time horizon with your investment portfolio, and help you take better decisions for better outcomes in the long run.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.